Good morning, beautiful people. It's your boy Terrence Gibson here on this beautiful Friday morning. It's 9:42 EST on the Eastern time frame here in the United States with another great, awesome intelligence prime capital. If you're not in it, just slap yourself real quick. I'll give you time. Slap yourself like 3 times. Slap. If you're not in this yet, slap yourself 3 times. Okay, we got one new person that joined on yesterday. So I was at 34 for a little while, which I'm not mad because most of my 34 people didn't even fund yet. And we're already blessed. So when everybody in here funds, this is going to be even more crazier, people. So you can see the funds are growing because my people that are on my first level are adding more money. That's where this money comes from in the blue wallet throughout the week. So tonight around 8 p.m., 7, 6, between 6 and 8, I don't know the time frame. It's going to be around 8 p.m. Let's say 8 p.m. EST. Intelligence Prime Capital is going to take 100% of what I've earned this week. So it's going to be, let me go to the phone. It's been crazy great. No complaints at all. So they're going to take, let's wait for it to come up on my phone. Just want to do exactly what I made this week. So we made $27.33 last night. So if I made $27.33 off of $16.95, that lets you know we did 1 point something. And I'll let you know what that is real quick on my Myfxbook. So for the week, just want to make sure when I put week, it doesn't add last week because I don't want last week in there. I just want this week. 1/7. My birthday was 1/8. All right, so it looks like we made 115 because it has the 117 in there that came out last week, and it has a total of 232.39. So it had to be 115.39. So we made 115.39 this week and trading off of this. So I made $115.39. So let's just go with the handy dandy calculator. All right, so let's just do this. It's going to be 115.3. I just said 3, hit a 9. 39 divided by 1695.65 equals, so 6, what's that? 6.8%. Because what you do is you take the decimal point, of course, and one boom. I don't mind giving, I'm not a math teacher, but I love math. So you take the decimal point. When you do this type of adjustment, you just take that decimal point, move it over twice, and I'll show you what you're looking for. So 6.8. So it did 6.8% this week. And let's go back to here. Let's go to my Myfxbook to see if my math is correct. So like I said, that's growing. Oh, let me show you the team. Oh my gosh, people. In 3 days, I think we can do it. Now I know it's going to drop tonight because but look, $15,850 away, 15,000 to hit that 100,000 mark. I told you we can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Now, the good thing is this weekend, this is going to drop because everybody's going to get their 80-20 split is going to happen. So that's cool. Both of these are going to drop. And then they're going to pay us out into our blue wallet. So I'll do my video tomorrow. So remember, tomorrow, just come back and look at this video. And I'll tell you tomorrow to go back and look at this video. And you see where I'm at with the 45930. And then you'll see how it adds up from all my people putting in work. This is my work, people work. Actually, a lot of that is the people work because I think I invested $230. That was my initial investment, $230. And God. But God, that's all I can say. So yeah, so this is where we're at. So that's like 100,000, 105, almost, yeah, 105. We'll just stick with 105, 21.5, because that's not enough to go that far. So 105, 300, 400. Yeah, 105,000. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, 106,000. And then you add that. So $107,000 worth of business just from opening my mouth and doing videos. And then God. Well, let's say God and then me opening my mouth and doing videos because he always gets first. All right, so let's go back to that. And not saying that like, and I don't want people to get this mixed up because I hate when people do it. I'm just saying this is where my faith base is when I put it into my businesses, when I start my businesses. I don't want nobody to feel like God is not working in their life if they're going through stuff, because we're going through stuff too. You're always going to go through stuff. Trials and tribulations come, they go, they come, they go. You're on the mountaintop one time, you're in the valley the next, you're on the mountaintop one time, you're in the valley the next, you're going up the mountain one time, you're going down the mountain. So I hate the songs and all that stuff that people make you think that you just got to have $1 million. That shows you that God loves you. No, he loves you. You got a penny in your pocket. And that's all you got. It doesn't have nothing to do with that. I'm just saying that this is my faith base for what I do for my family and I. If that's the best way for me to bring it out there. And this is just what's happening. And I'm just letting you know that you can have the same thing too. I'm just the same thing too, just by you just trusting in it. And if he only wants you to have half of that, then you just be happy with half of it. If my leaders are making like $80,000 a week, I didn't get to that point yet. Do I feel like I'm less blessed? No, I'm where I need to be right now. If that makes any sense. If that makes any sense for you. Okay. So I just had to put that out there because I didn't want to come off. I don't like that. He's always working. He's working in the penny. He's working in the dollar. He's working in $100. He's working in $1,000. He's working in $10,000. He's working in 6 figures. He's working in 7 figures. He's working in 8 figures. He's always working. He owns it all. So of course, you know what I'm saying? Regardless of what Satan thinks he's doing, no, his time is coming up real fast too. It's coming up real fast. Didn't want to go into a Bible lesson, but you know, being a pastor, that's just what I do. But anyway, let's go back to what I was talking about because I need to make this video a little shorter because I need to do another one at 10 o'clock. Yeah, so we're right here. Let's go to the Myfxbook. Hopefully it didn't adjust. It'll be on what it was yesterday. Okay, yeah, that's yesterday, 1.29. So catch that real quick because it might adjust while we're on here. All right, so 1.29 was yesterday. 1.64 was today. So I knew it was like something over 1.5. So 1.64, and then for the week it says 7.3. Got a call coming in from Ohio. Ohio. Not sure who that is. I got a lot of people joining. I'll just call it back. Let's see. So we got that 15.25% for the month. And yeah, and actually for the month and for the year, because this is January, 15.25%. So we, like I said yesterday, we beat everything out yesterday and a couple days before. When we hit 12%, we beat everything. We beat all Dave Ramsey videos. We beat everything. So now we're over. It's like more than enough. And this is just a month. We're talking about those guys, billionaires, make 6% a year and are happy. So we're making 15.25%. Don't you think you need to go tell some of these billionaires what we're doing over here? 6 figures. I mean, just two or three people with 6 figures or more will bless the crap out of your business. I'm talking about you will hit every rank. You hit every rank in one day. Every rank in the company in one day, and be blessed beyond compare. And then the people that you used to call and they used to be on vacation on a yacht, then you can start hanging with them just by opening your mouth. That's all it takes. Just have faith and just keep. And remember, this is a numbers game. You tell 10, maybe 3 may join you. That's a high average. So it's probably 10 to 1. Tell 10, 1 to join you. Tell 10 more, 1 to join you. So every 100 you tell, you're going to get 10 people. So you just keep doing videos, keep telling, keep sending emails. People going to say no. That's up to them. But you got to keep doing what you're supposed to do for you and yours and believing. And then some of those people you told before are going to start coming back around. And that's just how it works. But you just can't move from your ground on what you believe you should have for you and your family. And then you be a blessing to others. You be a blessing to others. God will provide ways for you to be a blessing to others. Blessing to others. And we're not just talking about 10%. It may be 50% one time. It may be 60%. It may be 90%. Who knows? When you get to a certain tier in your life, do you need 90%? Like, what's my man that did a Purpose Driven Life? What's the pastor's name? Or whatever his name is. He tithes 90% of his income and lives off 10%. Now, I'm sure his income is very substantial. But what I'm saying is that's the point where he's at. He does 90% to everything else. I mean, offerings and whatever he does, whoever he gives it to, or whoever gets it, 90% is gone. And he lives off 10%. So when we get to a point where we just got more than enough, man, just like take care of people. That's why there's so many poor, because we lost faith. I understand they wanted to separate church and state. Maybe some of the right people in the church was not over all their affairs, but the people that are givers and know God's laws and how he's supposed to distribute it to the people, man, we shouldn't have nobody on the street. Not saying that there's not going to be poor, because Jesus promised that we're going to always have poor among us, but there'll be a lot less people on the street. Put it that way. A lot less people. A lot less. And I don't know why this came to I guess because I do these videos right after me and my wife's prayer time. And it's just, it's, it's just still in the air. It's always in the air. I mean, I don't know. But anyway, and I pray that you like these videos, and I pray you like my honesty, and you pray you enjoy my relationship, and I pray that your relationship gets stronger and stronger every day. And if you don't like it, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I would rather you just go join somebody who likes to paint the town red. If you don't love Jesus, that's just how I feel, because I want his people with me, or people that want to know more. Let me know, and then we can have a nice little Zoom, because I'm always available to get a gospel. So, okay, kind of make me not even want to talk about this no more. Okay, this is doing excellent. We can see this doing excellent. You see the percentages. You see what it did yesterday. You see what we did ever since August 12th. You can't make these numbers up. Myfxbook does not work for IPC. IPC just does the trading, and all of their data is calculated by Myfxbook and distributed to the people. So they're like a reporting agency, like the IRS, just not, government regulated. I'm sure they're regulated, but they're not government regulated like the IRS. They just show you everything that you need. They show you everything that you need. So, I mean, it just shows you everything that you need. And then if you don't like these, you can't even click on them. People complaining. It's right here. 33% monthly. No, why is 30% monthly? Because it's 0.95% daily. It's only in drawdown for the 15, 20 minutes it's in a trade. Everything you need to know is down here. Daily trades. Kicking butt. Kicking butt. Risk of ruin. Look at this. Look at the risk of ruin. We haven't even lost a trade all year. So you won't even hit. Risk of ruin, 10% of your money, 34 trades. You got to lose 34 trades. We haven't lost a trade all year. I don't know how many trades we did. I'm not going back to check. Matter of fact, it's 3 a day. And then you got to take out the weekends. Today is January 14th. So say we had 2 weekends in there. Boom, boom. So let's just say 2, 12, 10, 30 trades. So we did 30 trades. So we're 30-0. We like Mike Tyson in his beginning. Like, yo, what? Knock him out. Knock him out. Knocking him out. All right, people. Blue box growing. Green box growing. This is, like I said, Friday night. Sometime tonight, they're going to take the 115 out of here. And then they're going to put 80% back over here and keep the 20%. It's not going to be instant. This is going to go a couple hours later, maybe Saturday morning, then it's going to show up here. But when that shows up, all the commissions from this beautiful team that God is growing for me is going to show up also. I wasn't on it long enough. Let's do this. Refresh. That's one thing I like about it too. If you're not on it in 2 minutes, they're gonna shut you down. So you ain't got to worry about leaving. You can leave it up on your computer, walk away, go get some drink. As soon as you come back, it's done. It's done. Let me just show this. Coffee, teach, repeat. Repeat. So we do this daily. We do this daily, beautiful people. All right. It's your boy Terrence Gibson saying I love you. Peace, and I am out. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join my team, and let's get busy. All right, beautiful people. Love you.